Welcome friends, this is the continuation of our series. In this tutorial we will learn about navigation using DHTML. By navigation we mean to either surf another web page or to go back in the history. We could also provide a drop-down list, and by selecting an element we could go to that particular link. However, one needs to be careful when using DHTML to navigate through web pages, as not all of the techniques are supported in all of the browser. So as a developer, one should have a backup script when there is no support for the script. Now, in our case in this tutorial, we will define a function and then invoke the function when user clicks on a button. When the function is invoked, the user is redirected to the home page of the Google. So let's start. Start with the HTML tag, then the head. Inside the head, define scripting language to JavaScript. Then define the function navigate. JavaScript has inbuilt object location whose property href is used to navigate through a page. Is accept the URL of the web page to navigate. Then end the function. We can also retrieve the cookie set by a particular domain using document.cookie. Then end the head. Inside the body we provide a button. On clicking the button we invoke the function. So on invoke the function navigate. The button says go to Google and then end the button. Then save the file. When we preview this in a web browser, it will look like this here. When we click on the button, we will redirect to the web page of the Google. So let's click the button. So it is loading. Here we can see that we are redirected to the home page of the Google. So this was a tutorial on navigating a web page using DHTML. Thank you.